Hello students, in this video I am going to talk about division of algebraic expressions. So here also we have three category of division, that is dividing a monomial by a monomial, then we have dividing a polynomial by a monomial and dividing a polynomial by a polynomial. Okay, so let's start with dividing a monomial by a monomial. So you can see I have taken two questions out here. So this is one polynomial getting divided by another polynomial. Same thing out here. This is one polynomial getting divided by another polynomial. So what we will write? 48 x cube y cube z cube is getting divided by 4 x square y square z square. Now equals to 48 into x cube means, now as you can see, same alphabets are getting divided. X cube divided by x square, so x alphabet is same in numerator and denominator. So to understand the division, you have to understand this law of exponent. That is, when same base gets divided, what happens to their power? Suppose the x in the numerator has power 7 and the x in the denominator has power 3. So when same base gets divided, the powers get subtracted. That is, the power in the numerator minus the power in the denominator. So we will get x to the power 4. So you have to remember this law of exponents in order to be able to divide the algebraic expressions. Okay, so we need this concept of division of alphabets. Okay, when same alphabets get divided, the powers will get subtracted. So we'll apply the same thing out here. So it's 48 by 4 into x cube divided by x square, so it will become x 3 to the power 3 minus 2 into y cube getting divided by y square, so it will become y 3 minus 2 y to the power 3 minus 2 into, see, z getting divided, so power will get subtracted, so it will become z to the power 3 minus 2. Now let us cancel the numbers. So 4 1 is 4, 4 1 2, 4 12 is 48. So it's 12 into, now x to the power 3 minus 2 is 1. So x to the power 1 into y to the power 1 into z to the power 1. So we got 12x y z. So we'll follow the same process to solve this. So it's minus 81 a to the power 4 b to the power 5 c to the power 7 divided by 27 a to the power 3 b to the power 2 c to the power 2. So what we will do? So minus 81 by 27, the number is getting divided by the number into a, see, the same base, that is a same alphabet, they are getting divided, so power will get subtracted. So we need to write the alphabet once, a to the power 4 minus 3, the power in the numerator minus the power in the denominator. You have to remember that. Now into, now see, this b is in the numerator also, b is in the denominator also. So it is getting divided. So what will happen to its power? The power will get subtracted. So b to the power 5 minus 2 into, same thing we'll do with c to the power 7 minus 2. So now 27 3 ja 81, so minus 3 into a, 4 minus 3 is 1. We don't need to write 1, power 1, okay? If you don't write anything in the power, that means the power is 1. So 4 minus 3 is 1, so only A will write into B. 5 minus 2 is 3, so B to the power 3 into C. 7 minus 2 is 5, C to the power 5. So the answer is minus 3 A, B to the power 3, C to the power 5. So I hope you have understood how to divide a monomial by another monomial. You have to keep this property in mind, this rule in mind, that when same alphabet is getting divided, the power will get subtracted, because we need this in division of a monomial by a monomial, and in case of the second kind of division, that is dividing a polynomial by a monomial, in that case also we need that. Okay, so let's now go for the second type of question, that is we are going to divide a polynomial by a monomial. So out here we have 42 a square b square minus 84 a cube b cube minus 56 a to the power 4 b to the power 4. So this is the polynomial. It is getting divided. This polynomial is getting divided by the monomial 14a square b square. So how we will write this? Now see, while dividing a polynomial by a monomial, each and every term of the polynomial, you have to understand properly. There are three terms in this polynomial. There can be two, there can be more than three. Okay, so each and every term of the polynomial will get divided by the monomial. Okay, first see, this is the polynomial. Divide means we'll write by 14 a square b square. Now we will write this in such a way that we are going to show that, now see, what's the meaning of this? The meaning of this is each and every term of this will get divided by the monomial. So अभी हम लोग नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करेंगे? We will write the first term will get divided by 14a square b square. Then minus sign is there. Then the second term will get divided by the monomial. Then the third term will get divided by the monomial. Okay, तो ये, तो जब भी हम लोग एक पॉलिनोमियल को एक मोनोमियल से डिवाइड करेंगे, सो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? दैट ईच एंड एवरी टर्म ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल इज गोइंग टू गेट डिवाइडेड बाय द मोनोमियल. ओके, तो इस तरह से हम लोग इसको पहले लिख लेंगे. देन अब ये कैसा हो गया? ये फर्स्ट केस के जैसा हो गया, अ मोनोमियल बाय अ मोनोमियल. तो यहाँ पे थ्री टर्म्स था हमारे पास पॉलिनोमियल में. सो मोनोमियल बाय अ मोनोमियल, मोनोमियल बाय अ मोनोमियल, मोनोमियल बाय अ मोनोमियल. तो हम लोगों ने प्रीवियस जो केस फर्स्ट टाइप था जो मोनोमियल बाय मोनोमियल, उसमें जो सीखा हमने वही हम लोग यहाँ पे अप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट डायरेक्टली. सो 14 3 जो 42, so 3. now a square by a square, so this will get cancelled directly. Okay, b square divided by b square, so cancel directly, so no alphabet is left. Minus 14 6 is 84. now a to the power 3 by a to the power 2, so 6. What will happen? The power will get subtracted. 3 minus 2 into, now b to the power 3 by b to the power 2, so 3 minus 2 minus 14 4 is 56, so let us write 4. now into a to the power 4 and divided by a to the power 2, so the power will get subtracted again. now b to the power 4 divided by b square, so again power will get subtracted. Okay, so after this what we got? 3 minus 6, 3 minus 2, it's 1, so a. b to the power 3 minus 2, so b to the power 1, so simply b. Minus 4 a, 4 minus 2, so that's a square, into b to the power 4 minus 2, so it's b square. So this is our answer. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to divide a polynomial by a monomial. I am going to take one more question of this category, that is polynomial by a monomial. So now in this case, you see the monomial has a negative sign out there, minus sign out there. Okay, so how to divide? First we will write this polynomial, then by minus 4xy. So the polynomial is getting divided by minus 4xy equals to, so how we are going to arrange this? Each and every term of the polynomial will get divided by the monomial. So 16x cube y by minus 4xy. Then this minus sign, minus in the numerator will be out here. Okay, so minus 12x square y square by minus 4xy. Then minus 20xy cube by minus 4xy. Okay, now we'll divide the number. 4 4 is 16 into, so see, x cube divided by x, so the power will get subtracted. In the numerator the power is 3, in the denominator x has power 1, so 3 minus 1 into, so y, they're equal, so they will get cancelled. Now what about the sign out here? So see, here there is no sign, means it's plus, plus minus, it will become minus. So finally the first term will have minus sign. Then so minus minus plus, 4 3 are 12, so 3 will come out here. Now x square by x, power will get subtracted into y square by y, so again the power will get subtracted. So again the sign minus minus, it will become plus, 4 5 ja 20, so 5 will come out here. Now x divided by x, so x will get cancelled, see, so y cube by y, so the power will get subtracted, 3 minus 1. So what we got finally, minus 4 x to the power 3 minus 1 means x square plus 3 x to the power 2 minus 1, the power will be 1, so simply x will write. Y to the power 2 minus 1, the power will be y 1, so simply y will write, plus 5 y 3 to the y to the power 3 minus 1, so it will come y square. So that's our final answer. So now in the third category we have dividing a polynomial by a polynomial. So this division has a name, it's called long division method. So when we divide a polynomial by another polynomial, we will be applying a method known as long division method. So I am going to talk about this method in the next part of this video, in which I will be discussing only about how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial.